In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a video on Snapchat using multiple photos. Go to your Snapchat app and now capture a random snap first of all. It will be better if you cover your camera just like this and just capture a black snap. Okay, now we are ready to add multiple photos in this snap. In this right hand menu, click on this sticker icon. In here you will find this upload or gallery option. Tap on that and now from your gallery select your first photo. You can resize the photo. You can also rotate the photo just like this. If you tap on the photo, your photo shape will change. And now to add your second image, you can click here, click on upload, select the second photo just like this. Again tap here, go to upload, and that's how upload your multiple photos. Now we have to add a music to make a snap using multiple photos. So in this right hand menu select music and add any music from here. Once you add it, click on send to. Now you can just send these snap to your stories or your friends. Thanks for watching.